names. I could tell you what they are, but I think you should just wait and see, because we're going to start off with an instruction manual. So basically it's just a thick booklet of paper. With plenty of room to jot down all my needs. Maybe I'll just flip through it a few times. Yeah, I'm sure you get the point. But, I gotta ask you some questions. So, we're just gonna go ahead and mark this with your name. You don't need to tell me you are patient 1. Okay. Do you mind if I refer to you as patient? Okay, well, what's your name? Okay. I'll call you Squiggly. How's that? How's that, Squiggly? Alright, Squiggly. I'm gonna ask you a few questions, probably around, we'll see. They're real simple. Some are yes or no. Most aren't, okay? Have you ever listened to ASMR before? That includes now, Squiggly. It's a big ol' yeah. Okay, Squiggly, that was only yes or no question, alright? Okay, Squiggly. You don't like it when I call you Squiggly? Okay, well, we'll see how you like not having a name. How about that? Okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to, I gotta make a little chart, make a little diagram so I don't lose your references. Make sure I get all this right. Okay, I'll just go ahead and tell you I'm actually drawing a self-portrait. So, I just finished up though. Okay, if you could go anywhere, any place, any location in the world, where would you go? Anywhere, so, it could be a McDonald's, it could be a water park. Okay. Have you ever been to that location before that you just mentioned? Okay. Interesting choice. Do you mind, what is your favorite color? 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 I could have swore I'd already asked that, but, I don't have that down in my notes, so maybe that's my bad. Maybe that's my bad. What year were you born? Oh wow. That's all I'll say about that is, oh wow. Okay, so where did you go to school at? And did you graduate? Okay, well, it seems like I'm having a little bit of trouble keeping my paper stable, so I'm just gonna put it on my clipboard here. Have you ever played the game Minecraft? It's a pretty good game. I mean, it's alright. It's alright, it's nothing special. I'm not personally a fan. I wouldn't even, yeah, let's move on. Okay, this is the last question with this trigger here. If you were given some safety instructions at a work site, whether it be a job or maybe a school environment, and you were given, safety instructions, would you follow those? Are you sure? Okay, there's another sheep. Okay. Well, actually, I guess I got to sign this. Big P-O-P. That's my signature. Okay, we'll save that. And, okay. We got our next, little thing. So, I actually drew a self-portrait, as I mentioned. And I was just wondering, do you mind if I draw a portrait of you? Okay, well, you're so unbelievably kind. Okay, so I'm just going to get my canvas ready. I actually went to art school. Liberal arts. Okay. Okay, will you just put your face in a comfortable position that you can hold for about, I don't know, 2-3 minutes? I know that's a lot to ask, but okay, let's start by, we're gonna sketch. Okay, sketch out this head. Okay, very rounded head. You know what, we're just gonna do a portrait, okay? I'm not really comfortable with drawing your, anything but your face. Okay, so we'll get the ears going. Okay, got some, what does it say? I might call you Dumbo in another life. Okay, at least you got some good hair. Just give you a few of those. So you do have some hair. Okay, those eyes. Wow. Definitely a feature that I am the best at drawing. I do love me some eyes. Okay. Those bright eyes. Okay, and an interesting, to say the least, state at which your mouth is sitting, but we won't ask anything about that, eh? Okay. Just try to kind of finding it difficult, but thankfully, wow. Let me just put this next to you. Jeez Louise. It looks just like you. Okay, that's enough of that. So I have this little piece of cardboard here, and we're going to turn it into kind of like a little identification card for you. So if you would pick out, let's say 8 random I don't know about 8. How about you give me 4 sets of 3 numbers? Don't worry, I'll pick them for you. We'll go with let's see, 6. Oh. 9. Dash. 4. 2. Oh. We'll go with 7. 1. 0. And for the last 3, go ahead and give me 3 random numbers. so much for coming by. That's basically proof of everything that I've done here today, which, as you saw, is a lot. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you feel better with everything that's going on. I know it's a tough time right now, but I assure you, with all this knocked out of the way, you're in way a little bit of better hands. So we'll say that. But anyway, it was great to meet you. Please come back if you ever need another portrait done, or you're not getting this portrait, by the way. You're gonna have to pay me, and quite frankly, I don't think you're carrying $40 million on you right now. But if you want to come back and buy that, feel free. Otherwise, I'll probably keep it at home. It's pretty beautiful work. But anyways, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for letting me draw your portrait, ask you a few questions.